Hi everyone, how are you? My name is Bobby King. I am from Middle East. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. I hope you are fine there. God give you more happiness for you all. You live always happy there. Your one-stop destination for all things related to the Iraqi Dinar. As you know in my videos, I try my level best to give you the most recent update of Iraqi Dinar. Please don't forget hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Watch complete video for support me. Share friend and family also. Let's start today's latest update about the Iraqi Dinar.
Throughout the year, Iraqi citizens have been inundated with educational campaigns about imminent changes to their currency, driven by a comprehensive monetary reform mechanism. This initiative is set to fundamentally alter Iraq's economic landscape by enhancing the purchasing power of the Iraqi dinar. The reform is being closely monitored by the United States Treasury, indicating the significant impact it may have on Iraq's financial stability and citizen welfare. This article will delve into the details of these reforms, the role of the United States Treasury, and the upcoming negotiations between Iraq and America regarding the banking sector. The Monetary Reform Mechanism. Monetary reform in Iraq is a multifaceted initiative designed to stabilize and enhance the value of the Iraqi dinar. The core objective of this reform is to add purchasing power to the currency, thus improving the financial well-being of Iraqi citizens. This process involves several key elements. Currency revaluation. One of the primary components of the monetary reform is the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar. This adjustment aims to increase the dinar's value relative to other currencies, thereby boosting the purchasing power of the Iraqi populace. Introduction of new banknotes. As part of the reform, Iraq plans to introduce new denominations of banknotes. This move is intended to address inflationary pressures and enhance the currency's efficiency in transactions. Elimination of zeros. The reform also includes a plan to eliminate zeros from the currency, a process often referred to as deleting the zeros. This step is designed to simplify the currency system and make it more manageable for both businesses and consumers. The role of the United States Treasury. The involvement of the United States Treasury in Iraq's monetary reform is a significant development. The U.S. Treasury's engagement indicates a heightened level of scrutiny and support for the reform process. The key roles played by the U.S. Treasury include monitoring and oversight. The Treasury is closely monitoring the reform process to ensure that it is implemented effectively and transparently. This oversight helps prevent any potential misuse of funds or policy missteps. Technical assistance. The U.S. Treasury provides technical assistance to Iraq's central bank and financial institutions. This support includes guidance on best practices in monetary policy, banking regulations, and financial management. Ensuring stability. By being actively involved, the U.S. Treasury aims to ensure that the reform leads to economic stability. This involvement is crucial for maintaining investor confidence and promoting sustainable growth. Educational campaigns for Iraqi citizens. Over the past year, extensive educational efforts have been made to inform Iraqi citizens about the monetary reform and its implications. These campaigns are designed to prepare the public for the changes and to manage expectations. Key aspects of these educational initiatives include public awareness programs. The Iraqi government and financial institutions have conducted various public awareness programs to explain the reform process. These programs cover topics such as currency revaluation, new banknote introductions, and the impact on daily transactions. Media outreach. Information about the reforms has been disseminated through various media channels, including television, radio, and online platforms. This widespread media coverage ensures that citizens receive accurate and timely information. Workshops and seminars. Workshops and seminars have been organized for business owners, financial professionals, and the general public. These events provide detailed insights into the reform process and its potential benefits. Upcoming negotiations between Iraq and America. A significant development in the ongoing reform process is the upcoming resumption of negotiations between Iraq and the United States on the banking sector. Scheduled for next Monday, these discussions are expected to address several critical issues. Banking sector reforms. The negotiations will focus on reforms within Iraq's banking sector. This includes improving banking infrastructure, enhancing financial regulations, and ensuring greater transparency in banking operations. Collaboration on monetary policies. The discussions will also cover collaboration on monetary policies to support the successful implementation of the currency reform. This cooperation aims to align Iraq's policies with international best practices. Impact on financial institutions. The negotiations will explore how the reforms will affect Iraq's financial institutions. This includes assessing the readiness of banks to handle the new currency and adjust to the new exchange rate. Ali Alaq's visit and its implications. Ali Alaq, a prominent figure in Iraq's financial sector, has recently visited Iraqi banks to discuss the upcoming changes. His visit underscores the importance of the monetary reform and the banking sector's role in its success. Key points from Al Alaq's visit include: focus on new exchange rates. During his visit, Al Alaq emphasized the significance of establishing a new exchange rate. This new rate is a crucial component of the reform, as it will directly impact the purchasing power of the dinar. Banking sector readiness. Al Alaq's visit also highlighted the need for banks to be prepared for the changes. This includes updating their systems and training staff to handle the new currency and exchange rate. Commitment to reform. Al Alaq's discussions reflect a strong commitment to the reform process. His engagement with banks demonstrates the seriousness of the initiative and the need for coordinated efforts to achieve the desired outcomes. The focus of Iraqi banks are central to the successful implementation of the monetary reform. Their primary concern is the establishment of a new exchange rate, which will directly affect their operations and the broader economy. Key considerations for Iraqi banks include: adjusting to new rates. Banks must adapt to the new exchange rate by updating their systems and recalibrating financial products and services. This adjustment is essential for ensuring smooth transactions and maintaining financial stability. Customer communication. Banks need to effectively communicate with their customers about the changes. This includes providing information on how the new exchange rate will affect their accounts and transactions. Ensuring compliance. Compliance with new regulations and policies is crucial for banks. This involves adhering to guidelines set by the Central Bank of Iraq and other regulatory bodies to ensure a smooth transition. As we wrap up, I encourage all my friends watching to stay positive and patient. Remember, patience is the key to success. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and show your support. Have a fantastic day, and thanks for watching.